Hey, lovely people, welcome back to Quinty's TV. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So, if you're watching my video for the very first time, may I introduce myself to you? Well, I'm Quinty and I make videos on natural hair and food. As you can see today, we have a hair related video where I'm going to show you guys how I made sea moss gel. So if you guys don't know what sea moss gel is, as the name entails, it's a sea moss. It's found in the sea. So today I'm going to show you guys how this gel is being done. Alongside, I will also tell you guys more about the sea gel. And as you can see, I totally love the consistency. I love the color, the clear crystal color. Yeah. So if you want to see how this is being done, guys, please keep watching. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and share as well. Let's get into the video. So guys, here we have our sea moss. It's a spiny sea vegetable that's primarily harvested for the use of health supplements, and it's also used as a thickening ingredient in commercial food, and you can see how hard it is. If you've heard of sea moss supplements, sometimes you may wonder how they use them. They actually use them as a thickener. So, and it's also a superfood, so it's healthy, very healthy. The scientific name is chondrus crispus. It's a type of algae, and I would like to read some of things written here. You cannot see. Let me go ahead and read the label. So it says the product is rich in minerals, especially calcium, and is rich in phosphorus, potassium, sodium, iron, zinc, selenium, and protein and carbohydrates. So it's dry sea moss, and to use it, put in cold water, soak for about 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes, then get ready to eat. Please do not use in hot water. That's when you're using it for salad. But now I'm using the sea moss to get my gel. So just watch to see how I get this done. So guys, as you can see, the first thing is to get your sea moss soaked in water. As I read from the label, it's very important to soak your sea moss in water. If you're using it for salad, you just need to soak in water, and then you now chop and garnish your salad with. But then we are going to use this to get our hair gel. So soak them in water, yeah, for an hour for example, and as you can see, our sea moss is soft and ready to be used. See that? Oh god, it's so soft. See, you just need to, even when you carry it with your nail, your finger is totally soft and it's okay. Presently, it's very good. I even had I ate a couple of them. It's really yum. It's not yummy, but just the fact that I think it's healthy, I'm good to go. I don't really like the taste that much, but it was okay. Yeah. So when it's soft like this, the next thing is just to boil, and I had to transfer it into a pot. You don't need to use that same water because, as you can see, the water is not clean. So just transfer it into a pot. Everything transfer it to the pot, and then now use a new cup of just use a new cup of water here. So added to this, yeah, added to my 60 grams of sea moss. I added like 3 cups of water. Yeah, I added 3 cups of water, the ring. The next thing is to bring this to boil. And while it's boiling, you can see already that it melts on its own. It gradually melts, and you can see how it becomes really thick. As I mentioned at the beginning, this is used as a thickener in some food. So you can see it's melting. It's melting, and at the same time it's thicker. It's getting thicker and thicker. So once this is Once this is done, once you reach this stage, you just take it out and let it cool for some time. So this is our sea cooked sea moss. You can see that it melted. So the next thing is now to blend this mixture of sea moss and water. Blend them together. So after melting, you see that the color becomes clearer. See, it becomes whiter. And yeah, don't be deceived by how runny it looks like. Don't be deceived. It's just like that at the beginning, and with time, it becomes more and more thicker. So that's how it looks like now. For example, after some time, you see it's getting gradually thicker and thicker. So look at this. This after like an hour. You see how the consistency changes from light, thick to more thick. I don't know, from thickest. Let's just say that. So it becomes more and more thick. It becomes thicker and thicker. So that's it. And then by the time I had to apply on my hair, look at this. Look at this consistency. Like this is the ideal consistency, guys. The next day, that's how it look like. So I'll advise you make it today and then use tomorrow so you get that real consistency. And please store it in the refrigerator. And it can stay in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Yep. I kept it in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. And then after using this, yeah, for up to 4 days. Then I think I used it twice. Then since it was much enough, I kept the rest in the freezer. So when next I'm going to use it, I will just take it out and let it come to room temperature and then dissolve on its own, and then warm it up a little bit and then let it come again to room temperature. So that's what I'm going to do for the one that's in the freezer. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this. I'm trying to experiment something on my hair related videos. I want to also, I asked you guys last time, you guys talked of hairstyles. Okay, I started with do it yourself natural hair products for your hair to promote hair growth, and now I'm thinking of something product review for natural hair products. So I'm sorry, product review for natural hair. Actually, basically what I'm trying to do is I'm experimenting like what I am good at and what my viewers, my audience actually wants from me. Because when I look at my views recently, I don't know if you guys really like hairstyles. Okay, and then I'm like, all right, let me try something else. But it's still going to be under hair. No, there's no problem. I'm not going to go out of my niche. It's still going to be under hair. But then I'm trying to see that even in this hair domain, there are still niches. So I'm going to try product review. I want to see if I'm good at that. I want to also see if you guys are actually interested in watching product reviews from me. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. Let me know what you think about this, and I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.